like I told you, all the people governorship candidates are well known to me. So Peter Mba, for PDP, why do I say that? I say he's a tainted candidate. Before he became Commissioner for Finance, we knew his background. We knew his net worth, which I challenge him here to give the people of Enugu State his net worth, his companies. Let him even show his tax payments before he was. They did it to Donald Trump. Trump was asked to flourish his tax payments before he could aspire for it. So if you say you're a billionaire and you're coming to rule us on the basis that you're a corporate titan, very good, well and good. We are going to x-ray that. The role of the opposition party is to x-ray you. Why is he trying to gag me with the threat of taking me to court? No, the campaign has not even started. He's panicking. Only he has received a little. Why? If the kitchen is too hot for you, you leave the kitchen. If you want to run for politics, you enter the kitchen. And we're going to x-ray you. We're going to x-ray everything about you, because we cannot make another mistake of bringing another Chimaroke as governor of Enugu State. Chimaroke as governor looted Enugu dry. Chimaroke as governor floated multi-billion companies that were not in existence before he became governor. Before Chimaroke became governor, there was nothing like Memeta Elizabeth Secondary School. Today is a world-class secondary school. It was the first. There was nothing like Rainbow Nets. There was nothing like what's the name of that? Is university, Renaissance University. There was nothing like there was not like all these urban housing estates, all these motor company, everything he formed. It was not in existence. So we had no single ongoing business as of 28 May 1999. All this business started when he was governor. So why wouldn't we? And there's no governor that's been prosecuted like Chimaroke. And don't forget, Chimaroke made a plea bargain. Do you know the meaning of a plea bargain? Plea bargain is an admission of guilt. Companies associated with Chimaroke did a plea bargain. His sister, whom he used as a front, had no business in Nigeria. So these companies had a plea bargain. This plea bargain is an admission of guilt. The FCC prosecuted him. There were more than 7 cases against him. And the principal defendant in these cases was Peter Mba. So let's talk about his reputation. Every case you find Chimaroke, you find Peter Mba. Peter Mba, Peter Mba, Peter Mba. And both were detained for 10 months. After that, nobody heard of Peter Mba again. Peter Mba wasn't even a major stakeholder in PDP. He was not seen anywhere politically in Enugu. PDP had a nomination. They had people they could have presented to us as governorship candidates. One of them is a man who is so exposed, a man who has administered FCT, Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, a man who has been permanent secretaries of Ministry of Finance, Defense, and all of them. The same person was also prosecuted, but he was as a prosecution witness, not as a defendant. And that person ended up getting very serious exposure. They had credible candidates, but they chose a tainted candidate. And this is a slap on the face of the people of Enugu State. And we will not take it. And